Need a template to be automatically filled? Here I will show you how to go from a template to generated documents with custom images and QR codes based on data from a CSV file. Step 1. Open up a Google Doc. We're going to build our master template. Wherever you want your custom data to go, just wrap the word in double curly brackets, like this. Ship to name, bill to name. Easy, right? Next up, the order table. This is where we handle multiple line items automatically. Check out this tag, UID_order number. UID is your unique identifier. It tells the app exactly which order we're looking at. Inside the table, our tags start with cell. When you run your CSV, the app matches that UID and magically creates a new row for every item in that order. One order, 10 items, boom, 10 rows generated instantly. In the table, you can also add a custom image and QR code. You would just need to insert a drawing by going to Insert to Drawing to New and adding the tags. Image tags start with image. You can also write image, URL, if your data file has a URL to the image you'd like it to search for instead. Since this is for a table, we add cell at the beginning of each tag. For barcodes, it starts with barcode and then the type, in parentheses, in this case we added QR code. You can add additional info at the end of the tag, like in this case, link to product. Now that our template is done, we can review our data source. In this case, I have a CSV file that has my data. You can see here that my headers have the same name as what I had in my template tags. Next, we export our Google Sheet to Microsoft Word by going to File and then Download, and then the Microsoft Word option. Last step would be to head over to batchexport.com and process your template and data. There are also pre-made templates you can choose from in the list. However, since we made a custom template, we will choose that from the Upload Custom Template option. The next step would be to select our data source. In this case, I have a CSV file I will be adding in. Once selected, the data editor will show your data. You are able to also edit data from here, if you would like. I will be uploading the images for the file in the Upload Assets section. Please note, the image names must match how the data shows them. There is also an optional step of how you would like to name the generated files, but here I will just leave it as the default. When you select Generate Documents, it will let you know how much this will count against your monthly limit before you process. Free accounts get up to 50 generated documents per month. Once you confirm that you would like to generate the documents, you will get a zip file with all of your files. Here I have one of my generated documents. I've added the same placeholder images on my image section, however you would see any images you decide to upload there. The QR code would be the same as what you have in your data. Thanks for watching.